How to fix cannot add a card to Apple Pay iOS. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on VPN and device management, and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN, and if connected then go ahead and delete the VPN. Next, in General again, tap on Language and Region and make sure you have set your region to the region you are currently located in, and if not, then go ahead and change your region. Next, open App Store and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and further tap on your Apple ID. Here, tap on the country and region option and make sure the region that we set in settings is the same region in App Store too, and if not, then go ahead and change the region. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, go back to settings and tap on screen time option, and further tap on content and privacy restrictions option. Here, tap on Allowed Apps and Features option and make sure the toggle button for Wallet is toggled on. And lastly, go back to General and tap on Date and Time and make sure the toggle button for Set Automatically is toggled on. Also, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. So, this is how you can fix cannot add a card to Apple Pay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.